Reema, before we let you go, let's also do a quick check on Tata Elxsi. I mean, Tata Elxsi came out with obviously really weak numbers and the stock's reeling under pressure as well.
Now it's been a couple of quarters of weak numbers from Tata Elxsi. The stock is down 31% in the last 1 year. Last year it was a big underperformer, and despite a 25% fall last year, it's fallen a little bit more today. And now the 3-year returns have been eroded for Tata Elxsi. The problem is valuations are high for the company at 40 times, but growth is not at a premium to peers. Look at the estimates by the street. For this year and next year, the street is penciling in single-digit top-line growth. For this year, closer to 5%. For next year, closer to 9%. So that's the problem. High valuations when growth is not at a premium. And also, if you remember, just 3 months back, the company said that FY25 growth should be better than FY24. But 3 months later, that's impossible to, it's close to impossible to achieve, because in 9 months, they've clocked in a 5.7% growth, less than 10.1% that they had in the prior quarter. In Q3, growth has slowed down. Flat growth quarter-on-quarter, year-on-year growth has decelerated 2%. Margins have missed street expectations, and margins are much lower than the 28-29% that they used to command. And the problem is the transportation vertical in Europe and US, which is about 50% of their overall revenues, that has slowed down. Their clients are facing some challenges. And that brings us to KPIT Tech. Because while Tata Elxsi gets about a 53% revenue growth from the auto companies, KPIT is 100% dependent on the auto companies, and this has also been an underperformer. This stock too is down 32% in the last 1 year. We'll get clarity on the 29th of January when they report their Q3 numbers, but this is also a stock which, growth headwinds are visible. Last quarter, they told us that growth for this year will be closer to the lower end of their guided band of 18 to 22 times, and valuations, though have derated, it's still at 40 times forward multiple. Back to you.
All right. Thanks very much for that. So those are the two tech stocks in focus today.